What is up, everybody? I'm going to share a little tactic and trick that I and many other people that are involved in sports and or competitive events use to gather strength. And that is we place ourselves back in the time where we remember or we become a member of the time where we had ultimate strength. So if it's a sport, you're in practice and you had that one awesome practice, even if it was 5 years ago, where you never quit, okay? And the rest of your team, I played hockey and sometimes the coaches would drill us into the ice like crazy. And maybe we had that practice 5 years ago and you always wanted to quit. And your teammates are going hard. We're just doing line drills like down and back, down and back, down and back, down and back. It's basically like little sprints. And everyone wants to quit, but you have to keep on going. You have to keep on going. You have to keep on going. And it's really hard, and you have to pull strength from somewhere. And for me, I would pull strength from previous efforts where I successfully achieved the work capacity that was demanded of me. And that helped me get through the current situation. Now there's a whole bunch of multidimensional stuff going on with that, meaning that me placing my consciousness in the reality where I know that I was performing at a very high state actually places some of me there. It's not necessarily that I'm thinking a fictional thing that happened in my past, because the past doesn't really exist, right? So it's almost like we are taking a radio antenna and tuning that frequency into our body. We're borrowing that frequency that we know happened. Now, what does this mean for us now? We are going to do that with whatever our agenda is today. So we all have an agenda, even if it's chill out. If our agenda is to chill out, right now, after we close this video, you're going to shut off the camera, close your eyes, and remember, become a member of that reality where you are just the chillest you can be, okay? You know what's a chilled out zone is a nap in the middle of the day on the weekend. Maybe like even for me, it's somewhere where the wind's blowing and you can like smell the grass and the trees, okay? For me, that's a moment of relaxation. If I wanted to relax, if I wanted to chill out, I can pull in that reality and go for it, okay? If you have to produce today, man, remember when you were producing like the most you've ever produced in your life. Maybe it was back in school when you used to pull all-nighters, whatever it was. Take 30 seconds to a minute to 5 minutes and make yourself a member of that reality, and you will tune those frequencies into your being today. That's all. I am out.